Imagine standing outside a stone convent at midnight. The cold air is still. The moon is the only witness. An alone knight, armor hidden beneath a dark cloak, waits at a wooden gate he is forbidden to cross. Inside those walls is a woman he has not seen for 63 days. A woman who signed her life to God, but gave her heart to him. Tonight, he is ready to risk everything. His title, his land, his life, for one whispered conversation through the convent gate. This is not fiction. This happened across Europe. And tonight, we follow the real methods knights used to meet nuns in the Middle Ages. Letters smuggled in bread, tunnels under gardens, bribes, disguises, and the ultimate price of forbidden love. Convents were sealed worlds. No man allowed inside, no nun allowed out. Punishment for secret meetings was severe: public disgrace, imprisonment, or banishment. Yet love creates ingenuity. This video reveals the real historical methods lovers used to break the rules and the emotional, dangerous stories behind them. Sir Alaric of Montrose had been away at war for months, fighting for a king he barely believed in. But when he returned to the outskirts of his village, he learned the truth. Isabella, the young woman he loved, had been sent, against her will, into the local convent. Her family had debts. The church offered a solution, and she became a bride of Christ overnight. But Alaric refused to accept it. That night, dressed in a dark cloak, he went to the convent gate. A nun could not receive letters. A knight could not send one. But humans always find cracks in systems. Alaric bribed a young stable boy with a silver coin. The boy hid the letter in a basket of freshly washed linens delivered to the convent kitchen. Isabella replied in a way no one checked. She stitched a small message inside the hem of a towel. The letters continued for weeks, each one more desperate, more hopeful. Words were not enough. Alaric wanted to see her, just for a moment, even at a distance. At midnight, he climbed the outer convent wall using ivy, loose stones, and faith alone. Isabella met him in the garden, separated by the inner wall. They spoke in whispers, barely audible over the wind. No tashing, no imbras, just two silhouettes divided by stone. But those small moments kept them alive. Convent guards were often poorly paid laymen. Alaric knew this. A purse of coins guaranteed 5 minutes near the gate. Nothing more. The guard would cough twice if someone approached. That cough became their lifeline. Every meeting was a gamble. Every whisper was borrowed time. But rumors began to spread. A knight seen near the walls. A nun missing during night prayers. When danger grew, Isabella revealed something she hadn't told anyone. Beneath the convent garden was an old drainage tunnel, long abandoned. It wasn't large, just enough for a person to crawl. For weeks, Alaric worked at night, removing stones, clearing soil, creating a passage wide enough to reach her without being seen. The tunnel became their sanctuary. Dark, damp, but filled with stolen moments of freedom. But nothing stays secret forever. One dawn, a new guard followed footprints near the garden wall. He found the loose stones, found the tunnel, sounded the alarm. Isabella was dragged before the abbess. Alaric fled into the forest with a sword but no plan. The lovers were separated. One imprisoned inside the very walls she tried to escape. The other hunted as a criminal. Their story echoed through the region. A tragic reminder of the risks lovers took in an age of rules and walls. In many medieval cases like this, love did not triumph, but the letters remained. Some were found centuries later. Proof that even in the strictest age, the human heart refused to surrender. And today, historians look at these stories not as scandals, but as testimonies of courage, emotion, resistance, and impossible love.